Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Right, just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, hopefully my sound and screen is working. Okay, hopefully my sound and screen is working. So if you are here with me, joining me in this section here, tap OK for me to ensure that my screen and video is working properly. Now, today this video here again, we just wanted to do another quick market update in this morning section, right? So again, before I start in more detail, just a quick disclaimer. Okay, first of all, I'm not here to do any buy and sell call. Okay, if you want to trade any stock that we discussed in this live section, make sure you got your own trading plan, right? So that's why every time when we do this kind of live sections, I do emphasize on my support resistance. So this is probably most of the time my personal so-called trading plan. Okay, anything that goes wrong, I will do some action. Okay, in this area. Okay, so I hope that you have your own so-called potential support resistance and trading plan as well. Okay, now today, like I say, we're just going to continue to monitor some of the stock that we look into. Uh, Definitely, there's lots of opportunities, so that's why sometimes I also cannot focus all. Okay, to be frank, right? I think today, few counter is doing pretty well. Definitely, in my groups, a lot of people talk about. I think Dexter and Adrian is talking about YTL. Okay, so yes, this one really unexpected. Run so much already. This climatic volume, right? I thought it's going to be something that is not right, but it break above. So let's say it break above, with this climatic volume at the left hand side. I think maybe we can see another round again, okay, for YTL. So, one of the things I think you can do, like what Dexter and Adrian do, is that you try to do some short-term opportunity. Okay, I think still possible for YTL and YTL power as well. Let's do both. Okay, so yeah, like I say here, climatic volume. Normally, we got climatic volume. I tend to be more careful, but let's say I'm gonna use the same method. So let's say this is climatic volume candle. If let's say they're able to cross successfully, normally yes, this representing there will still another rise coming in. Okay, because this high volume here didn't able to push the price lower, which means that this volume here maybe is a buying volume rather than a seller volume. Okay, again, my opinion. Okay, so normally if let's say they do a nice months of reaccumulation, well, I think still worth to look into it. Okay, still worth to look into it. Okay, morning Ruku. I usually I don't like those that it shoot up, okay, climatically and it far away from 2040 because this one normally it will cause a pump and dump. But if you look into YTL, right, they actually shoot up, yes, far away from 2040, but subsequently do months of kind of like a reaccumulation. Okay, so for me, yep, this kind of breakup is definitely is healthy. Okay, how far it still can go, I'm not sure. This is a crazy run already. Okay, I'm not sure. Probably you will hit another 50%. Okay, but like I say, okay, you want to do something like Dexter do. Okay, you do for intraday trading, quick profits. Okay. Hello, Ruku. Morning. Well, for those that who are here, appreciate you can type A for me so that I know you are here. Help me to click the like buttons if you think that my section here is helpful, and help me to share this out as well. Okay. So now let's do into a few more counters before I go into your counter, if any. Okay, just tap out. Okay, thank you, Ruku, for your reply. So yeah, Fiamma, unfortunately still haven't break yet, but looking good at this moment. Okay, let's look into the hourly chart. So hopefully hourly chart I can see more volume coming in. Now it's only 9:30. Okay, volume is picking up. Okay, I still got half an hour to go. Hopefully this hour here close a strong candle with increasing volume. I hope they can chase signature. Okay, signature continue to make a nice movement. At the moment for me, no complaints. Okay. Yesterday, yes, it's a down bar, but it's a narrow bar for me, and the volume is low for me. Okay, so no complaints so far for Fiamma. All right. So signature. Okay, signature. Like I said this morning, just now I checked, continue goes up. I was expecting another round of pullbacks to the gap area because here somehow is the main resistance already, almost hitting that it's. Uh, like I said, I don't really want to chase. Okay, because this is the area that normally they would make a deep pullback. Unless you want to do a bit of short term, you go to hourly chart to look for a short term pullback. Okay, so that you can do a quick profit from there. Okay, So okay, Fiamma, Signature, we do talk about LG Tech as well. Okay, the other stocks that I forgot to follow is Notion. Too bad, but Notion is the breakout. I just realized actually, because I go through my watch list again, right? I look into Notion saw a break. Okay, I think I share Notion out Monday in the Telegram, if I'm not mistaken. So okay, now LG Tech. Okay, LG Tech is also kind of similar, like what happens in Fiamma, if you ask me. So the pullback actually is already completed already. Okay, and today, while R1 is there at the top, all right. So here today looks like they decided to pull back. Okay, but for me, it's still very good, still very healthy. I don't see any weaknesses coming in from the chart. Okay, now a few things to remember. If let's say today volumes, the candles remains to be narrow, small candle like this, I think is fine. Volume remains to be low. Okay, somewhere around here. I think yes, still worth to look into it. Okay, so maybe I don't know if let's say today is Friday, right? So next week, if let's say it come back to this area over here, okay, if I got some capitals or funds, probably I will look into LG Tech. Okay, Zantat I sudah masuk lah. Zantat is shake out lah. Kind of similar like Pulse as well. Okay, we go into that one by one. I will cover Zantat definitely. Now, Pulse yesterday give me a heart attack lah. I saw it drop suddenly to the support level with a white candle. Like, shit, okay, I make a wrong choices again, right? But I think towards the end of the for something, they shoot back up. Okay, so okay, luckily okay, but today looks like it still continue to retest lower. Okay, now few things also. Yesterday volume candle is low. Today I don't think it's high as well. Today, yeah, it's definitely it's low. I mean currently it's still in the first hour. I'm not sure, but looks like now it's considered low volume for me. Okay, so if let's say above this level, low volume, it's still looking good for me, right? So there's pause. VS Industry, okay, closing to the resistance again. This is the yesterday. Okay, for me yesterday they already break the resistance. Okay, so like I say, the closest resistance is here. Okay, as marked by R1. Okay, but do remember whenever you got a bar with this kind of tail, right? You use this level as your potential resistance as well. Okay, so I think that they actually kind of like cross already, because over here I don't see any weakness. Okay, so well I think reversal is healthy. This pullback low volume is healthy, and I kind of like the hammer in between of the 2040 moving average as well. All right, so well, there's VS. Okay, VS doing a pullback, completed the pullbacks, and now they are trying to go slightly higher. Okay, now the other one also I haven't entered yet, but I was keep watching it. Okay, of course, no fun right now. The reasons why I didn't enter because no fun. Okay, but since the weak market the other day, right? This one actually hit resistance, break lower. Yes, it hit this level of resistance, and it started coming lower. But overall, it comes with a low volume. Okay, it comes with low volume. Okay, so if okay today or maybe next week Monday, the candles remains to be very narrow like this, and volume remains to be low. Okay, I tell you, this is I will going to watch very, very closely. Okay, it's kind of similar like here lah. You can see the three candle is holding well with the bar getting narrow, and the volume is low. Okay, so normally this is a good setup. Okay, this is for me is a good setup. Okay, so this one normally happens when the price is very close to support. Sorry, or sometimes happen pullback. Okay, it's kind of telling you that the seller is gone. Okay, support is solid, waiting for them to try to push up higher. All right, so I hope I can see that in MTech. Okay, so this is sometimes what we call the COC. COC stand for cluster closes. Okay, one of the techniques is quite powerful. Okay, especially now market is forming lots of pullbacks, reaccumulation. So it's worth to look into it. All right. So okay, now let's go into YTR. Let's see whether got 4 minutes COC. Because to be fair, all this while I didn't really pay attention into YTR because already gone so far already. So sometimes I also feel a bit uncomfortable. But yes, looks like we do have this COC, right? So against this type. Okay, here got one. Notice here. Okay, low volume, right? Okay, anyone here get what I means? by COC, one of the very powerful techniques. Okay, especially you want to look for during reaccumulation of pullbacks. Okay, wow, looks damn strong. This one 6% already. Should. Okay, so let's look into Zantat. Okay, Zantat also. Okay, I think morning up bar lah. Okay, yeah. Still a bit lembit lah, but again, first trading hours, I'm not sure. Hopefully, we will see higher volume today. Okay, let's look into hourly chart. Okay, let's look into hourly chart. Now it's 9:40 lah. Okay, volume increasing. Okay, volume increasing. Hopefully this hour it can close around 50 cents would be nice. Okay, I enter 485. Okay, yeah lah, almost the price. No profit lah right now. Small profit lah. Okay, so hopefully this one can break. I was waiting for Santat, Fiamma, Powers, but I think Powers going to take a little bit of time. Okay, so the other one they're having a nice hammer is EMCC. Okay, let me know any stocks that you are looking into. Okay, let me know any stock you're looking into. If not, I can go to my trade signal. Okay, you let me know. Okay, if you want me to go to my trade signal or my stock ID and Sifu, you type it there. If not, you type your stock. Okay, probably we can do a quick review. So okay, now EMCC actually is still good, but I was waiting for a confirmation on this hammer. Just like VS Tech, no VS Tech, VS. Okay, just a VS. Okay, so we want to see a nice hammer. Okay, it formed a nice hammer, no doubt. Okay, but just that over this few candle here, there's no confirmation. So I hope to see some confirmations. Okay, then we can look into it. Okay, Bangtel, yes, Bangtel. Yesterday closing nice lah, but somehow I still feel that the volume not exciting. So which means that okay, they will still ding dong between the support resistance. Okay, so yeah, patience required. Okay, patience required for Bangtel. Okay, I still holding. Okay, like I said, I don't see any major weakness. Yes, here force breakout. Okay, but here we got a shakeout with hammer. Okay, yeah, like Wong said, the volume just didn't come in. Okay, so it just going to sideways. Okay, but let's see lah. Like I said, this one probably still requires some patience because this few day up bar, right, you can notice also the volume not exciting one. Okay, not exciting one. Like it's similar like Epicon. Epicon actually is still holding. Okay, Epicon is still holding. Resident sudah lama keluar lah. The one I already exited long time ago. I think during the big markets, the 2 or 3 weeks ago, I already exited already because it's sideways kind of boring. There I just okay lah. Because the time also I want to get back my capital also. So okay Epicon as well. Okay, the previous resistance turned to support, now turn back to resistance. Okay, here resistance, support, resistance. Okay, again volume lembek for this whole week. That's why I still think that they difficult to cross the 450 area. Okay, so expect them to sideways in this range. Okay, for a few more days or maybe next week, the whole weeks. Okay, okay, now speaking about Resintek, let's look into Resintek. For some time, I didn't come back to look into it already. Okay, I think over there still in the support level. Boring volume lah. Actually, this reaccumulation is good to hold. Okay, if you're looking for some things that mid to long term. Okay, because overall, if let's say you look into weekly chart, right, they're in a very nice accumulation. Okay, we got some high volume candles holding well. Of course, resistance is quite strong as well. So here we got one. Okay, let me erase now so you can see better. So if you draw this line over here, right, we got one shooting star high volume, and here also, right? So it seems like they break, they cannot break. Okay, but definitely volume is getting lower compared to the last year one. Okay, so yeah, probably you're going to move a few more months break. Okay, so if you are looking for mid to long term, suitable. Okay, suitable. Okay, but for people like me, I don't have patience one. Double lah. Yeah, Notion. Okay, Notion is the other one that this morning I saw it. Okay, a bit painful also because I posted this in Telegram because this hammer here was so nice. with a kind of like a gap. Okay. Oh yeah, the other day when we review together with Success, I still remember. Okay, because I saw here gap. Okay, this one also like BCP with hammer, but I entered Success, I didn't follow. Okay, and yesterday I saw it. This morning actually I saw it. It break already. Yeah. So sometimes too many stock, right? Problems also because they cannot monitor lots of things. Okay. So well, okay. Now if you ask about Notion, again, I'm not sure you're looking for potential entry exit. So if let's say looking for potential entry, your risk to reward ratio definitely is not there anymore. Okay, because today it continued to break up highest, right? And the support is low. So if you want to, okay, you go into hourly chart. Okay, this one need to use short-term trading plan. But my trading plan is still on daily basis. So after I get my indicator up already, hopefully another month. Okay, now we are trying to do some testing here. I will do short-term trading plan. Okay, using hourly chart. So while Notion, I think here is the nice pullback area to monitor. Okay, short-term wise. Okay, like I say, currently it's a bit far from the support level. Okay, but if you are holding, if you enter already, currently no weakness. Okay, currently no weakness. Okay, JCY this time real, yeah, correct. I also just saw it also JCY this morning, but because like I said, you normally got shooting star one, right? I really follow closely, but yesterday I saw, oh, okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, here finally it goes up this shooting star. Okay, so well, if you want to, okay, let's look into Bigly. Okay, looks like it's also like a beginning of accumulation. Okay, here will be my, oh, very close. Very, very, very close. Very, very close. Okay, so, oh, actually now hitting already. 30 cents, is it? This is the previous weekly chart. If I base on weekly chart, 30 cents. Okay, so here is the previous support turns to resistance. Okay, so maybe we'll pull back a little bit before it breaks. So next break, okay, based on weekly, because this is like a long period of so-called downtrend with accumulation. So I need to refer back to weekly. So weekly wise, maybe next one will be somewhere around here, 34. Okay, 34. Okay, so let's say you got pullbacks. Okay, if let's say they do pullback in daily chart, okay, to this area here, 27. Okay, 27 cents. Then yes, good area to monitor. Yeah, exit already. I think this one also previously we trade together one, right? I remember. Uh, is it JCY? JCY, and there's one more stock also. I forgot already. Yeah, I think we trade together. I cannot recall I trade JCY or the other one. The time also one of the very good so-called penny stock, like the 20 cents counters. I cannot recall already. Okay, so SNS. Oh, is it unique? Yeah, correct. I think it's unique. The thing is unique. Okay, yeah. That's why one of my problems is sometimes I cannot really recall, okay, the stock's name. So okay, SNS. Okay, if you ask me, SNS, the trend is still there. Okay, the trend is still there. It didn't hold well above this support, so that's why I think that it's going to continue to pull back lower. Okay, so this is the S1 area. I think hourly chart also not much things to see. Okay, now if you ask me, right, SNS, okay, the reason why I didn't really comment much about SNS like that, okay, I think the chart is still okay, right? A trend still okay, okay, but just that currently it's a bit difficult to tell how far they will do a pullback. Okay, so for example, if I afraid that later we entered here, they pull back to here, you also need to suffer, around 10% of losses before they rebound. Okay, before the rebound, because here looks like supposedly here should hold, but it actually dropped. So which means that the seller is still there. Okay, the seller is still there. So maybe I think they will make a deeper pullback. Okay, if I want to show you, maybe I show YTL. I think YTL kind of same as well. Wow, this one really crazy. Yeah, really unexpected. This one can break up this much. Okay, not YTL. YTL power. Maybe we try that. Okay, something like this lah. Something like this lah. So here it goes up. Okay, or maybe here I think would be more suitable. This range. This range. Okay. So for me, SNS right now is something like this. They shoot up, okay, far away from 2040s. Okay. Then pullbacks deeper. Okay, a deeper shakeout, then pushing it back. Okay. So trend wise is still good, but maybe you must expect them to do a period of so-called reaccumulation. Okay, before they want to challenge higher. Okay, so that's my opinion on SNS. So okay, any other stocks, or maybe you want me to go to my trade signal? So let's look into my trade signal. Any things that come up today? Petro M. Okay, Petro M's coming back. Let's see. Petro M and Heng Yuan. Okay, Petro M and Heng Yuan also in a long period accumulation. Okay, I'm not sure, but if you are looking for something long to mid term, I think you can try to pay attention because this is a big downtrend. This is back to 2020. Okay, and we got some climatic volume, and price hold. Okay, so if you are looking for something that maybe long term a bit one, yeah, they are actually in accumulation. Okay, so Petrosky F score is 5 out of 9. Not too great, but not bad. Okay, overall, not bad. Okay, so you can probably consider for those that maybe you want to look for something that add into your long-term portfolio. All right. So some Chem, this one also. Trend is a bit weak, but it's slowly coming back. Okay, a little bit of boring movement. So never mind, I just skip first. M Siemens, wow, this one also, this guy also still coming back. This one also, I forgot it's M Siemens or there's another one. M Siemens and what? The other one is what already? I forgot. Okay, I think I traded M Siemens. Okay, exit too early. Now it's a nice trend. Yeah, somewhere around here. I remember right after I joined Seafood last year. Right after I joined Seafood, this is a nice gap pullback. I think I entered somewhere around here or around here. So after the first up, I exit, then now continue to shoot up. Okay, nice long-term trend. Okay, let's get into the others. YTL power review ready. Pentec. Okay, Pentec also pull back from reaccumulation, but today very close to resistance. Maxim from this morning. This one a bit liquid, so no for me. Inta. Okay, Inta. Okay, also close to resistance. Okay. So well, looks like most of my pullback is some of them actually close to resistance already. Pekat. Pekat trending lah. Wow, breakout one. Okay, again, use hourly chart if you want to trade trending stocks. Okay, let's look into NCT. Any stock you want me to look into, just let me know. If not, probably I will end our section here today. Okay, NCT gap. Oh, this one also a crazy movement. Okay, now let's focus here because this one actually doing a pullback. Oh yeah, let's into success as well. This pattern macam success, but success coming from a bit bottom lah. So here, as long as for me, the gap is still holding well. I think first of all, this is okay, right? So second here, low volume pullbacks. Okay, volumes not that high. Okay, so we got the hammer over here also, and subsequently hold well. Okay, so yes, I think NCT is still worth to look into. Okay, still worth to look into because the gap hold well, pull back to 20 MA right now, and this area here, low volume is a good sign. Okay, so okay, Hexstar. Is it this one? Okay, sorry, this one. Okay, the problem with Hexstar is that the volume a bit difficult to read. Okay, but chart pattern wise, yes, like you say, is okay. A bit looks like a shakeout for me, this area. Okay, looks like a bit shakeout for me. So yeah, if you ask me, okay. How about Hexstar Industry? Hexstar Industry, yeah, boring lah this one. Nothing much, nothing exciting, but no doubt they are changing to accumulations already. Okay, before I forgot, I think there's one more stocks. Yeah, cannot recall. Okay, never mind. GLST. Oh yeah, E-frame. Okay, E-frame. E-frame and EG. I'll talk about this two later on. Oh, nice. This one is pullback complete lah. GLST on 24 April. Okay, yesterday also dropped a little bit with low volume, and today I think they are still can go into the R1 level. Okay, so while GLST high volume reversal, okay, closing above this level, I think it's a good sign. Okay, of course here got some volume on down bar. Okay, probably we hit here, pull back again before they break. Okay, but overall the setup is there for me. Okay, this is like a accumulation zone. Pushing up, first we test above previous resistance, which is turned to support right now. Right, hopefully they'll continue to challenge the resistance again. Okay, Hexstar Global. Hexstar Global. This one, right? Am I right? Just on the one, right? Okay, Hexstar Global. Okay, let's look into E-frame. Okay, E-frame. No setups. Okay, let's look into weekly chart. Okay, ini tak ada benda lah. Actually, E-frame since last year, okay, heard that I want to growing until now tak jadi lah. But sometimes like that, sometimes like that. Okay, again, just okay. This is based on my own experience. Doesn't mean it's correct in the market, right? So, Chinghin, okay, I think Chinghin and CSGP lah. Actually, since last year, okay, they already say that we'll push. Okay, we'll push. Okay, but tak jadi. Okay, it have been down for I think 6 months. Okay, and suddenly within 1-2 months they push to the top. Okay, so sometimes yes, this kind of thing can happen in the market. Okay, so that's why E-frame, I just set my alerts there. Okay, set my alerts there. All right, so because sometimes whenever the market is not right, operator tends to be mark up lower. Then when they start right, they can push it more easily. Okay, EG. Okay, EG also I heard since last year already, but apa pun tak ada lah. Okay, but like I said, I think I shared the other day also. If let's say based on weekly, okay, they are doing a shakeout. That's why maybe I want to try another round again. Okay, volume also increasing these 2 weeks. Okay, again, I'm not doing buy call. I don't doing buy call. Technical wise, long-term weekly chart reaccumulation will shake out, volume increasing. Okay, so that's why that I think maybe I would like to try again. Okay, so let's see whether next week I TP some of my stock. If let's say they break out one, I got a big capitals. I will look into EG again. Okay, so there's some of the stocks that I think worth to look into. So okay, Ruko asked, what's the credit that make you take as a pullback complete? Okay, pullback complete normally there are few things. Of course, whenever we say pullback, the stock have to be uptrend. All right. So what I do is that normally I will focus 20-day moving average and 40-day moving average. Okay. So these two line, okay, doesn't mean every time it hit it will break up. Or for example, whenever it hit it will rebound. Okay. So this line actually for me to watch out strength signal. Okay, strength signals. Okay. So what is the strength signal? First of all, the most easy one is hammer. So we can actually see that it happens a lot. Last 2 weeks ago during when Bursa having some weakness in the chart, right? So hammer is like that, right? So what actually caused this? Okay, because it caused due to panic and someone come in to buy at a lower price. Okay, so this is why hammer is very good to use whenever pullbacks happen. But of course, sometimes it won't happen. Okay, it won't happen. Okay, the hammer won't come in. Okay, because there's no fear in the market. The other thing you can watch out is that, like I said just now, COC is a very good one. Okay, and whenever they hit 20 or 40 MA, you want to see the next few bar whether they come in up bar with increasing volume or not. So there's also a pullback completes. Okay, of course, I cannot really tell you. I need to prepare lah. Okay, like I said, I promised, I think like last month already, I want to do a course. I still got intention to do the course, okay, but just I really don't have the time to do it. Maybe mid of May, okay, if I do it, I will show you step in more details how to spot that, okay? So hopefully I answer that question, Ruku. Oh, okay, Fiamma coming in already. Okay, yeah, at least today got something to celebrate. So let's into Fiamma. Really or not? Tak ada lah. Tak ada breakout one lah, but volume yes lah. Okay, tak ada breakout one lagi lah. Okay, volume is good, volume is good. Okay, so waiting for them to cross this hour. Hopefully, okay, hopefully. Okay, let's look into my success. Okay, success nothing. Today 25th, 26th, low volume. But okay lah, so far no complaint. This low volume is good. Okay, last one, Zantat. I want to look into my stocks before we close. Zantat, okay, volume not that exciting. Hopefully got more volume later on. All right, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section. Like I said, if you like my this daily updates, okay, if you want to, I can make it on regular basis. Okay, do remember to help me to share this out. Hit the like buttons. Okay, if you yet to join my Telegram, join inside my Telegram so that we can have a regular daily discussions. Okay, so with this, thank you, and then see you next week. Okay.